Hetvi from Mumbai. Not being rhetoric, but telling you from my personal experience of pursuing DigiGrowHub sales training program. The best part about this program is that I got a lot of practical knowledge. So if I want to ever enter the field of convincing people, this will help me a lot. So what I learned is how to know what the buyer is looking for, how to make up his mind to get him to convince to buy your product. Another thing that I improved from this training program is my listening skills, which in turn increased my conversion rates. I could also work as an intern in this training program. So I got to know how to make professional calls with the clients and I learned how to professionally talk to them. I believe that DigiGrowHub sales training program removes all the confusion and myths about the sales, and it has caused growth in my orientation. Thank you.